Hey guys, it's Irene. I'm sorry I forgot to film an intro for this video. Won't happen again, or it might. I'm human. Anyway, this video is just a fall lookbook slash some staple pieces that you need in your closet for this coming season. Hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, that's about it. See you in my next video. So here's outfit number one. This is suitable for some place that isn't too cold because we still got some skin showing. This sweater is from Zaful. It can either be a very deep v-neck, or I like to wear it off the shoulder so it's kind of slanted. It has all of these little rips. Also, it's frayed on the sleeves. These jeans are from Levi's. These are the high-rise 721s. These ones in particular have no rips on them. They're very long, so I always cuff up the bottoms. And me personally, I love all white looks. So I would pair this look with a pair of Reeboks. These are white. You could also pair them with Superstars, the Adidas Superstars if you like. These are the Reebok Club 85, I believe. Contestant number two. This shirt is from Forever 21. I got it in a medium. It has scalloped neckline that's slightly raised. I feel like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson in that one picture of him, but it's okay. Also, I'm sure you noticed, look at these sleeves. Some people may not like them, but I personally think that they're really fun and different. I paired this with the same pair of jeans and the same Reeboks. You can also dress it up with heels if you'd like, but I'm pretty casual, so just assume that all of these looks I'm gonna be wearing Reeboks with because they're my nicest sneaker that I own at the moment. Alright, here's look number three. This sweater is from H&M. It's in a small. This time I paired it with a black belt. This one's from Brandy Melville. By the way, this little necklace is from Zaful. I love this look. I feel like it's just so cozy and it sort of gives me like coffee shop vibes, and like usual I'm pairing it with these white Reeboks, but personally if I had the option to, I would pair it with some cute black loafers. I just don't own any. If you do and you happen to have some of these pieces or something similar, that would be a great outfit. Go ahead and try it out. You'll thank me later. Also notice that I've completely tucked the rim of this sweater into the jeans. I never would have done this previously, but I saw in Kelsey Simone's video, it was also another lookbook, and she did this with a sweater and I was like, wow, that is surprisingly very cute. I have to try that. I do think it looks really nice. It also like shows the belt. I'm not gonna put this all the way on, but if it's super chilly, you could always layer it with some more. These two washes are actually really similar, so I think it looks nice. Alright, here's outfit number, I don't know, I lost track. Switched up my jeans. These are some black jeggings. They're from Fashion Nova. They're the style Aphrodite. They're so comfortable. There are no holes in this one either. I'm kind of not feeling leg holes lately. Anyway, this top I love. It looks so cute. I've been wanting a top like this for the longest time. This one's from Forever 21, and this outfit would also be one that would look super cute with the loafers that I don't own. So this is one of the last outfits. This top is super long and cozy. As you can see, it completely covers my butt. This one's from Cotton On. This top costed about $7. I'm telling you, Cotton On is the best. All their clothes are super soft and cozy, so I recommend you check them out. Alright, this top is all white. It has little buttons on the sleeves, and I actually wore it in a previous video. I think it's so cute and cozy. It's really soft, so it's easy to wear with anything. I paired this with the black jeans because I like the contrast, but additionally, there are some cute ways to layer this. Allow me to explain. Here I've paired the same look with a jean jacket. This one's from Brandy Melville. It just gives the look some texture, and I really like how this whole composition of an outfit looks. So this one is just a coat for like a more formal event. I just put this right over the entire outfit I just showed you. I spent about $20 on this. It was from American One, and if you notice, it has pockets. Are you joking? Also, it ends right above my kneecaps. It is so cozy, which is why I think it would be so nice for a day out in the city. But there's more. I have one more jacket to show you guys. Alright, this is it. This bomber jacket is from Forever 21. I love it because it gives a pop of color to your outfit. Also, it just looks really cool. I think it's a really nice jacket to wear when you're just hanging out with friends, but you need to stay warm. And yeah, that was the last item. I hope you guys enjoyed this little lookbook. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave this video a like, a comment letting me know what you thought, and that's about it. Bye guys.